Hello, friends, and welcome to Art Time Today with Bob Ross. That's me, and I'm going to be teaching you a thing or two about drawing a happy little tree. Let's say we get started now. First, you're going to need a piece of paper. I put mine on a board so you can see what I'm doing. This is a regular old piece of sulfite paper. You should have one in your little art baggie. And I'm also going to need a pencil, okay, and a black marker. If you don't have a black marker, you might be thinking, well, Bob, what am I supposed to use? You can use a crayon, my friend. That's what I would tell you. So first, what we're going to do today is we're going to make ourselves a happy little tree. This paper right here looks mighty lonely, and we're going to give it a friend. So with my pencil, we're going to go ahead and add the trunk of our tree. That is the biggest part, main part of our tree. I'm going to take my line from about the middle at the bottom, and I'm just going to go all the way up to the top. Doesn't have to be straight because this is a tree, and trees are not straight, my friends, I'll tell you what. So I'm going to go ahead and draw me a little line off to the side, just like that. It's not too big, not too small, just got me a line. We're going to go ahead and give this line a friend. I'm going to give it a friend right down next to it. Just going to make another line, kind of like it's two sides of a road going in the same direction. Now what I tell you now is this trunk needs some branch friends. We're going to start down here pretty low, and I'm going to go ahead in this direction. That's a diagonal direction, and give my tree a little branch friend. Here we go, the other side of that. I'm going to go ahead from here, add me one more branch friend. Now, the tree is the emphasis of our drawing. Emphasis means something that stands out, something we think is important. So this happy little tree drawing, the most important part is our tree. We're going to give emphasis to our tree. Now you can see I have 1, 2 branches, and I think I'm going to need to add a couple more. What you think? So I've got 1, 2, 3. Did you know in art, odd numbers are the way to go? So if I have 1, 2, 3, would I add 4? No. Would I add 5? Is 5 an odd number? I think I can do that. So let's go 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add me another branch this way. Bring it on down another friend there. And finally I need one more branch. And here we go. We're going to take it off here to the side. Now when I look at that paper, I definitely look at the tree. And that means we have emphasis to this tree, which is great. Well, now I'm going to go ahead and get my marker, take off the lid. We don't need the lid for this part, just the marker. So you can put the lid down there now. And we're going to go ahead and outline our tree. This is going to give it even more emphasis. You can add emphasis by using different colors, by using contrast. That should be a word you remember from last 6 weeks, I hear. Contrast, when you have things that are opposite. So by me having a black tree on a white background, it's going to add emphasis to my tree. Now look at that tree. Kind of looks like a hand. Maybe it's nature's hand. Now what we're going to do is color that tree in. Notice I'm coloring this tree in real carefully. And I'm following the shape of my branches. That's to add extra emphasis to the branches. So I'm going to use my marker and go the same direction as my branches. Just nice and carefully trying to cover up all that white paper underneath. Okay, friends. Oh, we got a happy little tree. Happy little tree. Happy little tree sitting in the forest. Next, what we gotta do, friends, is add some more branches, because I think this paper's getting lonely. Says, I need more branch friends, Bob. Alright, paper, we're coming. We got you, paper. We got 2 more left. Now, for the next part, we're going to add some smaller branches in the background here to cut up our space and give us some other designs. So we're going to add some more shapes in here. What I like to think is I'm adding Y's and V's. The letters Y and the letter V's. Okay, so here I have a Y. Now if you want to go ahead and do this with your pencil first, just in case you want to erase, you can. Good news is we're going to cover over all this white paper, so even if you mess up, that's okay. And in my world, there are no mistakes, just happy little accidents. That's right. So I've got a Y here, and I'm going to add a V here, just like that. Over here, I'm going to add me a big Y, and down here, I'm going to add a V. If it helps you thinking about adding Y's and V's, great. If not, just do whatever you like. Maybe you do a branch here, branch there, one over here. That looks pretty good. I got me a backwards Y there. Okay, I think that's pretty good. What do you say we add a little squirrel friend to our tree? I think this branch right here looks a little lonely. This is our creation. You can add anything you want to your tree. So I'm going to add there's my little squirrel body. Little squirrely ears. And a bushy tail, just like my hair. Well, friends, you might be thinking, what are we going to do now that we have this great tree drawn with our squirrel friend or whatever friend you decide to add to yours? And I'll tell you what, boys and girls, I'll tell you next week. I hope you come on back next week to Art Time Today, when we'll be adding color to our happy little tree.